Hello, how are you doing? Today I'd like to talk about a piece of fitness equipment, affordable piece of fitness equipment that might have been designed for lockdown. The humble sandbag. Here it is, folks. As the name suggests, it's a bag filled with sand. It's got multiple handles to here, and to here. It's also, when you open it up, it's not just filled with sand, it contains these three other bags, different sizes, which are filled with sand. They make up the filling. Put them all in, it comes to about £50. Okay, so how do you use a sandbag to improve your overall strength and conditioning? I'm going to show you four exercises. Let's do four. I've had this thing a couple of months now, so I've used it pretty hard in that time. Let me show you a few things that have worked for me. Okay, let's go. Okay, the first one's just a simple squat thrust that we'll do with the sandbag. So pick it up and shuggle it around. I'm going to bring it up to my arms so you can actually, with this one, it's easy just to swing it. There we go. I've got it nice and snug into my chest, and I'm just going to go up and down as many times as it takes. Keep a nice straight back, up, gently lower it down, up, and think of yourself kind of driving through the ceiling. You really want to push it out like it's like you're giving it some. Okay, next one's pretty similar, only this time we're going to use our arms as well. I think it's called a burpee. Does it really matter what it's called? No, it doesn't. Make up your own name. So you're going to take the bag by the end handles this time. I'm going to use two sets of handles as well. Just like before, slightly different grip. I'm going to go, let me get in shot here, all the way down, and this time as I come up, I'm going to push that bag up until I lock my arms out, and then I'm going to bring it down, and again push really nice and explosively, best you can do, up, and with the arms as well. See if you can bring the arms in actually as you're extending. So let me see if I can slow it down. There we go. And lock those arms out. It's touching the beams now, but anyway, you get the idea. One more time, all the way down, push, up the arms out. There we go. Third exercise, some lunges. Now bear with me, I'm a little bit wobbly at these, but I hope you'll get the idea. So let's take our bag, swing it up, down on the back of the neck. Try doing that with a barbell, it will really hurt. Okay, so I'm going to step forward and bring that other knee down to the floor and up and back. Other leg now, forward and slowly down and up and back. Other leg now, stepping forward, gently down, all the way and back up. Last time, step forward, lower it down and up. Okay, last one. Now you remember I was saying there's not necessary to have a full rack of weights or a weights bench to work out, improve your muscular strength. Sandbag's great for this, so watch me with this this last exercise. This is for working your upper body. So I'm going to lift the sandbag up as normal. Oof. Get it on my shoulders. Now I'm going to execute a few push-ups. Let's see how we get on. Keep that nice and steady on my back. Arms about shoulder width apart. Let's go. Boom, there we go. Okay, last few things. Now you might be thinking, bloody hell, that looks really heavy. Well, it can feel that way. So if that's what you're thinking, don't use all the sandbags. Fill one of the smaller ones and pad the rest out with some old clothes or an old sleeping bag or something cut up that's going to actually fill the rest of the case and make it manageable. If you're still not convinced, if you still don't think you want to get a sandbag, well, you have a perfectly good alternative to hand, your old friendly, even more humble rucksack. You can make some do-it-yourself sandbags, or you can put the inners from this in it, and you can do quite a bit of the exercises that we've looked at here just with that. You don't want to drop it too hard because they weren't designed for that. This was. And if you're just going to put your sandbags in it and take it for a hike, then if you did see the ruck marching video, that is going to do you a power of good. Now, the last thing, I know this is going on a little bit longer than I meant to, motivation to actually get out there and do it. Well, again, you're in luck. That's what we're talking about at the beginning of next week. There's links to those sessions. We're going to look at how to make motivation personal, something that's going to actually get you out there instead of all that garbage that's floating around on the internet, you know, voiced over by celebrities with stirring images and music. Real life just isn't like that. We need to find something that sort of speaks to our values, what we want, what we won't put up with, where we're going. It's all about us. We make it about us and the motivation becomes a lot simpler. Okay, so I'm hoping you will turn up to those sessions. Thank you very much for watching. You got questions? Fire them in the comments below, or better yet, email me and let's talk. Okay, we'll be speaking again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.